why did you put less than or equal to on the first one and greater than on the other one?
Because I made a mistake.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Because I have to go to the bathroom and I want to see if Marianne's up here.
So do we need
You guys
a,
took your break too early.
on this first
I'm
one
pouring,
here,
like,
I
2
can't,
gallons of water this morning.
is that a comma in between the 7 and the X?
You need a comma
That's
between
two separate solutions.
two separate
Kind of.
solutions, you
Yeah.
need to put a comma between them. Yes.
No, mine, I did that. I had to put or.
No, it should take a comma.
And that's why it worked.
Okay. Right
And it didn't even, I didn't have to try it.
Right side. Up. Right there.
It should
No,
take the
over.
comma.
There.
And then I looked at the example and
Maybe
that's
something
how
else
they did
was
it.
wrong?
Oh, you can't do all that. You have to take it to the error first.
It should take the comma then. Don't mess with it. Alright, once you guys try a couple more of these on your own, it really takes some practice to get used to these.
Can you do 32?
You want me to do it?
Give us an example of what it's talking about here. Consider the break.
Okay. So 32, it just gives you a graph. You don't know what the equation is. It asks me where is f of x greater than 0. So what would greater than 0 mean for this graph?
Greater than 0, it was on the 2x.
Greater than 0 means above or below. Above. Greater than 0 means above. Positive is above. Okay, so greater than 0 is where it's above the x-axis, which is over here, over here.
Okay, so greater
So if they first ask me for greater than 0, it's greater than 0 over here and over here. Okay?
Okay, greater than 0. And then it wants you to pick one. It's greater than.
Alright, and you guys can pick one based on on the left side here I have x is less than or equal to -1.
here.
Right side I have x is greater than or equal to 5.
So 2. Negative. Greater
To the left of -2 is to the right of +3.
Well, that first one, yes, but on this one, this is
No, we didn't do
Alright
that.
guys, we still got 5 minutes if you have questions about anything. You guys are on your own after today.
None of this is on the test though.
So that's boring. So where is the graph above the x-axis? Above the x-axis. It's positive here. Greater than or equal to 0 means above the x-axis. It's above the x-axis over here and over here, but not in between here. See, in between here it goes below the x-axis, but over here it's above, over here it's above. So from this point and to the left it's above. From this point over here to the right it's above. So I want to say, on a number line, I want to say from here going left and from here going right. How would you say that on a number line?
That looks like a one
Negative 1.
is less than.
So you want the numbers that are less than negative 1, because going left would be less than negative 1.
Less than or not equal to f. And then they are greater after 2, but not
So I
equal.
want less than negative 1, which means left over here, and greater than or equal to 2, which is over here.
Now you put your zero down here.
You're zoomed way too
I
far.
know, I am.
Now, if you have whole numbers,
Start over. You mess it up, just start over.
Now what does it want here?
It wants you to do the opposite. So where is it below the x-axis? Where is it negative?
Right here. In this little, okay.
Now if it's between two numbers, you write your compound inequality. Like we did on this one. Yes. A million. Guys, we need to look at 37 before we go. 37 is weird. 37 is weird because they are mixing billions. I can just get you guys started on this one. They are mixing billions. Oh, come on. Right on the screen. They're mixing billions and millions. Now, how much is a billion compared to a million? 1,000. 1 billion is 1,000 million. A billion is 1,000 million. Yeah, that's what you guys said. I heard 1,000. No, I didn't. I couldn't have answered this off the cuff if I hadn't thought about it. If I hadn't done this problem before. Okay. So 7 million in my problem, I need to set that to 7,000 million. Because the equation is giving millions. If they want 7 million, I need to plug in 7,000. Now what does at least mean in terms of inequality? At least means greater than or equal to. It means that much or more. So what I want to do is I want to set my equation take my equation, set it greater than or equal to 7,000 for 7 million. Now what do I do from there?
Math it.
Math it. It's the same problem, it just has funkier numbers. Other than the funky numbers, it's the exact same problem. I gotta subtract the 7,000. Use my calculator for this. Okay? Then all you need to do is graph this, figure out where is it positive.
So if you were not on Earth, could you remember it? So if you're not on Earth, could you remember it?
If I was not what?
On Earth, could you remember things?
I said there's no way on Earth, probably not in space either. Okay, so if I put in my equation, I'm only seeing part of that, so let me zoom out.
Well, lots of zoom out.
No, just one zoom out.
Prove me wrong.
Yeah, but is it going up and down?
How can I tell if it's going up or down?
It's
Oh,
going up.
negative, I see.
It's negative, so it's actually, it's an upside down U, so it's going up on the left and then it's going down on the right. If I zoom out again, I might. Yep. Now I really don't want to see that. I'd rather see the picture I have here. Now see, I lost my tick marks. Are any of you guys, I see some of you guys having that problem.
Yeah.
You're not utilizing the standard window. If you hit standard window and then graph again, it will bring back your tick marks.
Okay.
Standard window and then graph. And then you can start zooming again with your tick marks.
This is in between 2 points, so we can do an intersection of 0.
Yeah, it looks like it's a half.
It does look like it's half.
Yeah, let's make sure though.
Ah!
No, it didn't find the other one. Sometimes with the funny numbers, 16 and 4, 5, 6. Let's assume that's 6.5. It's 6.5.
Zoom out twice. Now try to find the points to see if it finds them.
Oh, it did. Okay. So 6.5 and 16 are my x values.
And then the decimal years
Add
to
to.
the 1980 and then, well, you might round up.
Yeah, you gotta round up the years. So 1980. See 1996 and that would round to 1987. I'm gonna do 1987 to 1996 on mine. So you can use the graph on these, but you do have to think about it. You have to think about what are they asking for? What are they asking for and what does that mean on your graph? Okay, there's no way you can say like the answer is always going to be like this in this situation or the answer is always going to be like that. You really have to look at it and think about it. Now if you guys are ready to go, you're welcome to go. If you need to stay.
I'm gonna go smoke and come back.
I have to
Is
go
that
to the bathroom.
okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna go out too and
No, what was
come
that?
back in.